It's all about financial gain. Even if your people feel pain while you running those games, you steady running those scams, pulling hits for the man. You might as well be a white man with a major suntan. You steady watching TV, believing everything you see. But in this country, that's nothing but destruction of you and me there to see. And of our PEOPLE, but you can't see, like your BLIND, probably dining on too much of that SWINE. I'm about it for real, not just talking some SHIT to pass the time and be down and get some punani. Front like you on some real shit, but you're more like Amos and Andy, a minstrel show. Sometimes I wonder if you're on that blow, cause you sound like it though. A man that comes across as a hoe, a jealous one too. Stab me in the back, I wouldn't put it past you. Your mind's under complete control of the devil, like you're possessed. That's why you always coming in my cipher, trying to make jest. As I progress, you wish I'd regress. Don't want to digress on how I'm God blessed. I'm of the chosen people. You've chosen evil. I can't trust you. As a matter of fact, fuck you. Don't think that you're too close to me for me to buck you. I lost my big picture. You're just a stupid nigga. You and I have nothing to talk about. You're the fucking sellout.